here one act at a time, like that will make everything magically fine. But somehow it's always alright, even when you're not okay. You'll take it one day at a time. Just be patient with yourself. If you don't, then no one else can. Be the light in your life, the bright in your eyes, 'cause you can't mistake it when you feel alive. And all I wanted was time to hide my restless behavior, but sure enough, it was misguided, and I gotta throw it away. Hand me down the way that the colors fade, pass them out and toss some more on the floor. Or better yet, toss them in a pile and leave them for a while. I swear I'll come back for it. Got so stuck, just trying to be the better man and push my luck and myself into oblivion. Losing time.